Okay, she got on every single night, and I don't want
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys some features in the update place in the settings area of Windows 10, and I'm also gonna be showing you guys how to make your active hours So you'll probably not understand what I'm saying right now, but you will at the end of this video. So let's get into the video. So let's go. So firstly, you can check what update you have or see how many updates you need to do in Windows 10 just by going into the settings. You can find it in the settings, update and security. And now, as you can see, I have some updates. I've purposely left these updates for this video. So if you have any updates or it says no updates available, you know you have no updates. If you have an update available, then it's going to show you this, and it's going to say install now or restart now or whatever it'll say for you, but it's going to show you an update. And the reason why they update it is because there could be a virus and something like that could hack in your guys' computer and mess around with things, like delete all your files, for example. That could happen, and that's why they've released an update, so that now the bugs are going to be fixed, and there's going to be a little, it's going to stop the virus from spreading, for example, right? So that's why they do updates, and they usually do updates on a Tuesday every month. So yeah, just letting you know, you should be looking out for these updates. And yeah, so now you can see there's some settings down here in the updates area. Make sure in the Windows you're in the Windows update. So, and then you'll see these settings: pause updates for 7 days, change active hours, view update history, and advanced options, which we're all going to get into in this video. So pause updates for 7 days will obviously pause your updates, so it won't show any updates at all. If you ever need to resume your updates, then you can just press this, and then updates will always appear. So now if we check for it's going to check for updates. So now wait, come on, hurry up. We don't have, this is a video. Come on, we don't have forever. Okay, now you can see it's gonna start downloading as you do that. So and then once you start downloading all these updates, it's gonna tell you to restart your computer down here. And yeah, I'm not gonna do that in this video. It's gonna tell me to do that in a sec here, but I'm not gonna do that now. So change active hours is, if you go on it, it's pretty easy to do, and what it is that it is just pretty, you can change it really easily. So all you have to do is, it says automatically adjust active hours for this device based on activity, and you want to put this as off so you can actually change the time. You can press change here. Now it's going to say start time, so this is when you will start working on your computer. This is what the active hours mean. This is when you're going to be on your computer. This is just an example. This isn't actually how long I go on my computer for without shutting down. This is just an example. For example, you start working at let's say, I don't know, let's say you start working at 9 a.m. We'll check box that, and then we're gonna put this as, and then we'll finish at around, I don't know, no, not 10 p.m. No one would work that hard. Alright, 1 p.m. So 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. you're working on your computer for them. You're just working on it. You non-stop work. So this active hours means don't give me any updates in between these two times. If it will not give you, because if you press save here, It's not gonna give you any active thingies till 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Some of you guys might just like put this on like 1 a.m. till like what, I don't know, 12 p.m. I don't know. No, sorry, not 12 p.m. You might put it on, I don't know, something else. You just put it on until you would go to sleep. So for example, you sleep at 11 o'clock. You would put that on 11 p.m. and then there. But it does say choose a time within like 18 hours from the start time. So you can't actually do like max to the point where you need it. So you have to, because this setting will allow you guys to not receive any updates for in between these two times. So it'll be like bad to receive updates because you're working on your computer at this time. So that's why it needs some time to actually send you that there's an update, because no one's going to check at these times. So that's why it says max is 18 hours. So I'm just going to leave this back where it was. So 7 p.m. was it? Yeah, 7 p.m. 7 a.m. So there we go. And 7 a.m. There we go. Okay. And we're going to put this on that on. And then we're going to exit out here. And then now, look, once we've restarted, it says restart required. I can either restart now, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to restart after a while. Once you finish these two updates, I am going to restart. And yeah, but not now, because that's different. Now, we're going to go into view update history. This is pretty easy. You should all know what this is. It's your update history, what you've installed and what you need to install. So what you don't need to install anymore. So what you've installed and what you don't need to install anymore. It will say what you need to install. So this is, it's gonna say what you have installed. Oh god, what you have installed, and these are some quality updates. As you can see, it will say at the top. Some driver updates will be your this thing. I'll show you. Come on, here it is. Yep, this. It's nearly full, but yeah, this is what it will update. And it's also, and there's other updates which is just casual updates, like this one, like the one I was talking about here. These are like casual updates, and some of these are quality updates to like fix your graphics. So that one's pretty easy. You can tell what that means. This is additional update controls and settings. This is advanced options. So once you're in here, it should say some update options. Not a lot, but you'll just see some options, and it's gonna there's like a couple of features I want to show you. So one of them is this one here. Restart this device as soon as possible. When a restart is required to install an update, Windows will display a notice before the restart, and the device must be on and plugged in. So this is just going to give you a warning that your device is about to restart because an update has just happened. So I'm not going to put this on because I feel like my video is going to end right here if I put this on. So I'm not going to do that since I just updated. And yeah, I'm not going to do that. You can do it if you want. It's a really good setting. I'm going to switch it on after this video. But yeah, I'm not going to put it on now because it's probably just going to, like, it's going to, yeah, it's going to cut out my video. It's not going to be that good. So now, there's another one. Show a notification when your PC requires a restart to finish updating. This setting is it'll pop up with a little, so if you're here in the desktop, it'll pop up with a little black box saying a restart is required to finish your Windows update. For example, that's what it'll show. That's a notification to say this restart is required and you need to restart your computer. Obviously, you can switch this on or off. I don't really mind. I'm gonna switch it on because it's really helpful and it reminds me to restart my computer when an update happens. And finally, this pause updates feature, which I talked about like I don't know 6 minutes ago. I don't know. Is you can select a date of like I don't know. You can select a date to like be paused to. So you can select okay, Monday 19th of October 2020. That's when it's gonna be paused. All my updates are gonna be paused then. I'm not gonna do this right now because I'm updating right now, as you know. And look, it says resume your updates, and I'm gonna do that now. So it's gonna do my update again, but it'll start where it was, so don't worry. And yeah, so now once you're in the wait, oh god, where did I go? So look, it's starting from where it was. So it's just got one more update left to do. So it's gonna always start at the same place it was if you change this. I recommend you doing this if you work on a computer a lot. If you don't work on a computer a lot, then don't do this feature. I don't know, it's your choice really at the end of the day. It's not my choice, but I'm recommending this feature to the people that work on their computer for a long time and don't want messages for like updates a lot. Or you could put this on either way. So I don't know. It's your choice and I'm not getting into this. So it's your choice. Okay, so now once you've learned how to use these settings, I am just going to show you now what it's going to look like when you've finished updating your thing. So this is what it's going to look like. It's going to say restart required and restart now. And now once you want to restart, it's going to tell you to restart to finish your update for this version of Windows. And now because I want to restart, this is a perfect time to end this video. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you all for 800 subscribers. It really means a lot to me. We are gonna do a Fortnite mobile hand cam next week. I'm still trying to adjust the camera to like so then it's gonna be easier for you guys to see how that I use my fingers to play. So thank you all so much for 800 subscribers, and yeah, so thanks for the support this whole way. Hopefully we'll one day reach 1K subscribers, and I am gonna hopefully be live streaming that. Hopefully I am, but I'm just saying. Yeah, but I am gonna hit 1K subscribers hopefully one day. And that is it from me. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Okay, so and I don't want